This isn't just an airplane, it's the queen of the skies. And building it requires a level of precision unmatched in the industry.
Inside this factory, legends are built. This is where the Boeing 747 begins its journey. The aircraft is built in massive sections. Every measurement must be perfect. Automation meets human precision. Millions of rivets hold the aircraft together. Each section weighs hundreds of tons.
They move inch by inch.
Comfort starts deep inside the structure.
Over 170 miles of wiring power the jet.
The wings define the aircraft's strength.
They must support extreme forces. The wings also store massive fuel loads. Hydraulics control flight. The landing gear absorbs incredible impact. Each tire can support over 50 tons. This aircraft now stands on its own.
This aircraft now stands on its own.
Each engine is a masterpiece.
They generate enormous thrust.
Mounting the engines is a critical moment. Power meets structure.
The cockpit is installed next. This is where pilots command the skies. Technology keeps the aircraft safe. Even storage is engineered.
The aircraft receives its identity.
This protects and defines the aircraft.
A Giant is ready for testing.
Engines are pushed to limits.
The aircraft prepares to fly.
The dream becomes airborne.
Now it enters service.
For passengers, it feels effortless. But behind it lies years of work. The Boeing 747 changed aviation forever. It connected continents, and its legacy still flies today.